Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn off auto renewal on Spotify, subscription control step by step clearly. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to spotify.com. Click login and sign in with the same account you use for your premium plan. If you usually sign in with Google, Facebook, or Apple, choose that same option here. After you log in, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. From the menu, click Account to open your Spotify account settings. On the account page, find and click the section called Your Plan. Look for a button or link that says Change Plan and click it. Scroll down until you see a heading like Spotify Free or Available Plans. Under that area, find the option to cancel, such as Cancel Premium or Switch to Free. Click Cancel Premium to start the cancellation process. When Spotify asks why you are canceling, select any reason that fits, then continue. Read the message that explains when your premium access will end. Confirm the cancellation by clicking Yes, Cancel or the final confirmation button. Wait until you see a confirmation screen that says your plan will change at the end of the billing period. To double-check, go back to your plan and confirm it shows a date like premium until a specific day. If you subscribe through the App Store on iPhone or iPad, open Settings and tap your Apple ID name. Tap Subscriptions and select Spotify from the list. Tap Cancel Subscription and confirm to stop auto-renewal through Apple. If you subscribe through Google Play on Android, open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon, then tap Payments and Subscriptions. Tap Subscriptions and choose Spotify. Tap Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts to confirm. If your premium came from a mobile carrier or another partner, go to your Spotify account page again. In your plan, look for a note that says your plan is managed by a partner. Click the Partner Management link if it appears, and cancel from the partner's billing page. If you do not see a cancel button anywhere, check which email you used and make sure you are in the correct Spotify account. Also check for multiple Spotify accounts by trying other login methods you may have used before. After canceling, keep the confirmation email or take a screenshot of the confirmation page for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.